Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I will make super tasty salad with freshly harvested veggies, herbs and lettuces. The star of the day will be pork neck steak. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious salad. Step numero uno, classic oil goes on the pan. Now, I need to hear that correct sound. It is perfect. Perfect. Set aside, it needs rest, something like 10 minutes, and it will be ready. Time to make famous Leafy Greens cigar. The time has come to check the steak. Dressing is super easy. This is yogurt with chopped fresh thyme. Now, salt, freshly ground pepper, and clove of garlic. My favorite food processor. Salt, pepper, and the last thing is real treasure. Look at this fat. This is a flavor. What a day! Another successful day in the office. Amigos, extremely delicious salad just landed on the table.